Okay, guys, I am doing a comparison of the online Black Friday ad. I am in store doing it, and we are looking at the TVs are called ONNs. That's on sale. The one for 65-inch 4K for 228 and a 42-inch for 88. The guy did a good comparison for me. I'm gonna show you all. So then you take your pick because he did make me think about some things, and it's more people in here comparing these TVs. So be careful. Okay. See this one right here with the $79 on it, and it say TV mounting. That's a on. That's a ONN. Now the one next to it is a high sense. You see that? That's the ONN. That's the high sense. Now let me show them to you together. Look at that. Okay. Now you see which one the dull one is, don't you? The ONN, the one that's gonna be on sale on November 4th online. That's why I came in so you could see it because my daughter want one. And look at this TV. And then that's the high sense. They look completely different. Oh wow. That ONN is dull. But he said they took all their TVs down so they could get ready for those sales. But he was just saying, like, look at the way you compare them. You look, they only a $30 difference, which is not a big difference. Even though these are the 50 inches, they only a $30 difference. And he was saying how you look at the clarity of the TV. It's not really clear. It's not. Like, it is not at all. And guys, that must be a cheaper brand because this is the Hisense and this is a Vizio. The Vizio is brighter than the Hisense. So ONN is like a cheaper brand TV. And then it's, look, Hisense and then Vizio. We all know Vizios is good TVs, right? So look at that. So Vizio, Hisense, ONN, look how dull it look like it's been around. Hisense. ONN, Hisense. Just be careful about what you're looking at and what you're getting up in here. Uh-oh, hold still. Oh, these Apple AirPods. Okay. And how much are those? 26.88. Oh wow. Okay, that's a good deal already for those. Right there. Okay. All right. Okay, the gaming computer. Everything that's going on sale for Black Friday starting November 4th, they took it down and put boards up. So my son want a gaming computer. This $799. That's a lot of money. This one is $449. This is the one that's cheaper. It's a gaming laptop. Okay, guys, as you can see, the Apple iPods, they removed everything that was going to be on sale on November 4th online starting at 7 p.m. So I'm getting as close as I can. I think the TVs was like the best thing you could get a good look at. Another thing that'll be on sale, but it's unadvertised, the Oculus headset for the games, the Quest 2. Those will be on sale online also, guys, but they was not advertised. The guy just told me these will be too. Now, this is another thing that my son is looking at, these. Okay, here's the Ramba. That's the 670. It's $244 now. It is $177. This is it, though. Let's see. So, 70 is in here. Okay, so another one that they removed. All of the stuff going on sale for Black Friday, they removed it, period. Okay, now here is the 25C, another vacuum cleaner. It's called a EUFY. That'll be $99. Again, another one. They removed okay, here's the one for $25. Oh, here's that one. Here's that one. Yeah, I was trying to see if the 670 was, but this is the one. So this one will be $99. Now I might try this one right here. I might try it just to see if I like it because I got carpet that really need it. Okay. Oh, look at that. You got to buy sweeping pads. See, didn't know all that. So that's that vacuum cleaner, and that's how it look in person. What's that? Okay, these are the Instapots, guys. And I do not see this one. It's $79. The original price, it is $129. So I see one for $139, one for $99. This $119, and why is it turned over? Oh, that's a bread maker. Then this is a Faberware. Faberware is good, $49. That's really small. And then this Instapot is actually 7 quart. This Instapot is 6 quarts. Now I have a 6 quart one. This is the one I have right here, and I love it. But I don't see the other Instapot up here. I sure don't. I don't see that. Oh, wait. Okay, so here's a Duo Instapot. That's the one I got, Instapot Duo. Okay, so that's a pretty good one. We looking for the one for $129, and neither one of them is up here for that price. So, oh, here it is, $129. Is that it? No, or is it gone? Oh, there it is, right there. It's $129. So it's, I don't think they know. Let me see what that is. Power quart air fryer. Okay, that's an air fryer. That's not it. So they don't have them up here. Everything that's going online, they took it away. So we lucky if we find them or not. Okay, so all of the Barbie stuff, of course, they said that'll be on sale. So you have to go through the newspaper. So the Barbie van is here. I have one of those. And then all of some of the stuff they got in the aisles, because they starting to stack up for their Black Friday. See that? It's already in the aisles, and they already stacking up. Now, a lot of the rainbow corns, unicorn stuff is on sale. Then LOL surprises, all of those will be on sale, all of them. So now they done made them kind of like all of the LOLs, OMGs, all of that's on sale. Like all of this will be on sale starting November 4th. Online, you'll be able to get a lot of it, a lot on sale. Okay, so we're looking for the styling heads for the girls. I'll see if my granddaughter wants that, but I have to hit it up online immediately. So here's another LOL surprise remix. Those will all be on sale, but they told me all the LOLs will be on sale regardless. Go online and you have to go through their computer. Now I'm looking for the styling doll heads. The My Little Pony is a styling doll head. Those are all like special toys, different little toys that they bringing out. Okay. All of the Disney princesses, the Frozen tools, all of those are on sale right there. All of it. Okay. Let's see. How much those are? They $2. So all the school supplies is on sale. Everything is on sale. Okay, so we in here, we just looking at some of the Christmas stuff. And Walmart got some nice Christmas stuff. This they new collection of stuff like this made out of cloth. And it's $2.98. That's made out of cloth and it's $3.98. I wouldn't mind making that for a DIY. Oh, look at that. That's cute. So here's like the boxes made out of the cloth. That's the trees. Those are really nice. So they got these different ones made up already. I actually like that one too. I like that. I like those. You can make those out of those rings, and it's a whole little Santa Claus. It's $9.98, but that's a good inspiration. Oh, look at that. That's cute. And this box is in there. You can paint all kind of stuff on them. That'll be a good DIY inspirational. That'll be a nice deal. Be looking for those, guys. Because for DIY for Halloween, kids went e-learning completely, and I completely fell off. Okay, so You know, Walmart have a array of ornaments, and all of them are $1.98. So here's a good. Oh, that's cute. It's made out of tin. It's 10. Oh, my new inspiration is these guys. Last year was this truck, but this year it's these campers, whatever color. I don't care. It's so many. I usually like most of my stuff from Walmart. The decoration. Here is a cute one. Oh, that's gorgeous. There's a boot, a skate boot. That's a bell. Ooh, excuse these hands, yeah. Ashy, baby. There's a Santa's boot. There's a sleigh. Heart. So here, a lot of these. Those are nice. Ew, I like that. And all of them are $1.98. All of these. Oh, that's cute, the sleigh. Now, I really like that. So, you can come in here and get some nice ornaments. Here they got the farm looking. Oh, look, guys, the shovel of snow. I like that. I like that. Then they got into Pacific colors. All the little Pacific colors. Oh, look at the pink and the gold. My daughter had gold. Here's a gold shoe. I like that. I think I have this one already. But that gold shoe is gorgeous. And I'm not even into gold like that. That's pretty. So here is all the pinks, which people are already starting to buy. Oh, that's gorgeous. I like that. You could put like a birth date on there. Or if somebody passed away, you could put a birth date and a pass away date on there in remembrance of them. Look, guys. Oh, look at that. That's gorgeous. Oh my God. Uh-oh. I'm putting it back. But I think all of them keep falling because there's a lot of them down here. I'll put it back up there. Okay. So, oh, that's cute. Oh, and here you go. That's really cute also. I love that one. That wreath you could really do. Like you could work that for pennies on the dollar. That's pretty. It's made out of foam in the back. I like that. Wow. They got some gorgeous stuff. That's pretty too. Little ballerina. All of them. So guys, that concludes my little shopping trip for you guys. We'll get ready to go. And I hope you all enjoyed the November 4th. Don't forget, Black Friday online. First day at 7 p.m. What you'll do is you'll start about early in the morning. Try and see if you could put it in your cart and let it sit there to 7 p.m. Then press send. Then press pay. There you go. That's all you do for the Black Friday. Be looking out for November 7th, Black Friday visual walkthrough. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit subscribe, share, and like. Bye.